July 2nd, Saturday, 2022 CE, Common Era. Progress is not at hand, but at beak, because I'm continuing working around this beak, the eye, the head of the budgie parakeet is here. I just spent 2 hours working on this with not much to show for it, but anyway, it's coming along slowly but surely. It's going to be a bit of work here completing this whole thing, but that's fine. Budgies must have just moved into nap time. They were chortling away with the Isabel Ballet album, but they just got really quiet when I changed to Natalie Cole, the late singer and daughter of Nat King Cole. All right, to be continued.